Pababa ako ngayon sa breakfast area ng Savoy. Injured pa din ako. At nakakaligaw tong hotel na to. So now, I'm kind of getting ready for the event today. So we just have to do a little bit of prep is always important. We try as much as possible na magbakang poreless. Kahit na mukha naman talaga may butas yung fest natin. Yeah. Sige. Event kasi ni Philip. I know he's not gonna be there, but you know, kung bakit ano si Megamind. Salamin. Hala, nakita niyo yung ano ko. Ba yun? After this simula at wakas, I genuinely wish na pumasok sila sa kanilang era na solos, even for just a short period of time, because you know you want to see their individuality again, pero not too long kasi nakakamiss silang lima. There's magic on stage when it's the five of them, but undeniably they all have their individual artistic pursuits. So naka-register naman ako sa Manila Bay ngayon. Hindi ako nakaabot sa Team Superior. Sa Trinoma, malapit sana yun eh. But, yeah, sobrang dami na siguro talagang Ken stands. Kaya, But I'm glad that multiple fan bases are doing this for Ken. He deserves this. Actually, oo nga, no? Parang ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganitong solo event na ganito kalaki. I mean, na hawak ng fan bases. Correct me if I'm wrong kung meron na bang na-hold na ganito mga fan events na ganito kalaki. Damn, Casa Sinag and Team Superior really be doing a lot for Ken. And take note ha, hindi ko naman sure kung pupunta si Ken. Ano yung patakinig ko ngayon. Pero regardless, whether or not pumunta si Ken, this is all for love. You know when you love a person even though they don't see things that you do for them, you do it, right? Try na natin i-brush off yung nasa fest natin. Kusik-kusik na lang tayo kasi wala tayong setting spray. Be back. Voila! I'm wearing from Backspacer Studios na merch ni Ken ng 70 Cents. It arrived really well. I wore it in New Year and this was given to me by Ate Lucy. Everything here is because of Ate Lucy. So thanks very much Ate Lucy. Si Ate Lucy talaga, alam mo, sa buhay ni Ken, Ate Lucy, kaya niya yan. So, thank you Ate Lucy, and of course, saan sila dito? Ito na ba ang Sun Garden? So nung akala kong Sun Garden, akala ko yung garden na yun. Hindi pala. Sa taas pa pala, sa 5th floor. Bakit tayo ngayon doon ngayon? Wait! Oh my God!
Violet Craft, 7 Cents Collection, Fun Girls Corner, order at the frequency kit.
We're now here, medyo marami-raming Ken stands and there are a lot of merchant booths. I think ito yung pinakamahabang booth, yung photo booth. Yes, kasi ganito booth. This is nice. Ayan, oh, Tita Angging homemade. Ay, Kuya Denzo. One of the merchants here, akala ko alak. Pero nag-agree naman kami ni ate na sadly hindi. Pero, yeah. Hindi na ko nag-release naman. This is pre-order. Sorry, magka 1,000 siya, no? 1,000. Ito na kayo bumili sa Kentin Kindle at dami nilang freebies. Tapos katabi na pa yung homemade peanut butter ni Tita Angging. Gwapo pa nagtitindo. So first 100 actually had a free drink, free refresher. Kasi hindi tayo umabot sa first 100 as a late bitch. Kapi-kapi lang tayo. Smiles of Smiles PH. Pero still super cool ng layout nila. So 100 pesos lang. Shit, ang ganda ko dyan. Charot lang. Shit, ang cool. Dito pala to. Bakit si bakla?
Setting the pace, setting the standard, setting the stage on fire. When Felix steps out, the energy shifts. The crowd wakes up. The stage becomes his territory. He doesn't follow the wave. He creates it. Make it loud. Make it wild. For Felix!
Cause I can finally go crazy. I'm out of the run. This New Year's Eve is getting on for me. Just one shot and look up. Cause I'm a good place.
Sold out, mayayabang.
Gusto lang po i-follow niyo po ang aking social media accounts. TikTok, Rockstar Felix, at syempre po yung group ko, MA1 Official. Thank you so much po.
Okay, guys, follow them, ha? Okay, guys.
So andito ako ngayon sa sa Tita Angging booth. Kasama ko si Geraldine.
Okay.
Nagtagpo din kami sa wakas. Nagkita kami kanina sa lang eh. Geraldine, daming biniling peanut butter ni Bakla. Parang feeling ko magkakaldereta siya sa homecoming, dadalhin niya.
Why not?
Okay, the correct answer. Alexa. Next. Next. Okay, next.
Anong kanta yan?
Kayo kami. Alex. Go. Masaan lang ang lyrics? Ayan. Okay, the correct answer is... Oh, nakos! Okay, so, order mo tayo.
Tsaka drama lang o kaya nakatapos.
So, mother,
Pero dapat sasabayan natin. Sasabayan dapat kami ng SB. Dapat naka-boxers ng walang top.
tama, mainit sa mother, di ba mainit sa grounds, SMDC grounds. So kapag less ang 18 dapat same.
Tama ba?
SB19, hilingin nyo ang aming dasal.
Tama ba yun?
you know what I love about this super event is that even though Ken isn't really here, you know, the community just gathers to celebrate him. Not just his birthday, pero alam mo yun, you know that he is so loved as a person, as the artist that he is, for the work that he does. May kita mo talaga yung dedication ng fans. Actually, this is just one event, one fan event. There's another that happened in Trinoma. I think that's Nexus. So, spearheaded by Team Superior. So, yun. Those are the few takeaways that I have for this event. And I'm really happy that I attended. Sobrang mafe-feel mo yung love for Ken is just so overwhelming. The people there are just happy to gather and celebrate his birthday even without him. And wherever you are, Ken, happy birthday. Mwah, mwah, chup, chup. Love you.